Well, hello everybody, or anybody. Hello me. So here is a micro scale. I'm trying this. It's a waterfall coming out of a mountain with a little valley on the side. So, yeah, I'm trying. I'm testing out my landscaping skills here. Really. Kind of limited to the pieces, but yeah, I tried some of them bricks on the side of the wall to put down my waterfall. Yeah, it looks really great. But listen, I found this bag. Well, somebody gave it to me because I'm trying to collect Legos for the Philly Brick Fest in October. And I'm just beginning, so, but somebody gave me this bag. It's number 3 in some sort of set. Now, it has some pretty interesting pieces. If anybody who's a Lego expert knows where this set came from, here's your challenge. Tell me. Let's see what they got in here. It's got a lot of technique pieces in here. I don't know if anybody knows what they are. There's 2 of them. So it's a hinged piece, possibly airplane space. A lot of technique pieces in a small bag. Again, pins, gray tiles. So, not sure if anybody recognizes these pieces here. If you do, please comment. And like and subscribe. Who's going to be my first subscriber? That would be great. Anyhow, I'm trying to get some Lego techniques going here. So, that is my goal. And then I got this little poly bag here. Not really going to build it, but I'm going to use parts. And, yeah. So wish me good luck. Any advice or help, come on over and let me know. Lego's really fun. But I haven't played with it in 30 years, so well, here I am playing. Anyhow, I'm really just getting started, trying to put my girls' friend sets back together in order so they can be organized. Anyhow, I wish you all have a good night. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be doing a new landscape video pretty soon. I'm going to try a building, a house. I know houses aren't that hard, but, to make an actual, like, non-Duplo looking house is what I'm going to attempt. So, got any ideas? Let me know. Take care, guys. Thanks.